right. Okay, get ready defense. Okay, get ready defense. Ready defense. Spread more. Def. Okay, walk in. Stop them. North. Northwest on me. Step up. Boots in now. Northwest 5, 4, 3, 2, on me now. Okay, full broad them west. They're getting wiped on the west. Focus the vortex now. Come back to the vortex and spread. Come to the vortex and spread. Spread, guys. Please spread. Defend them in west. Kakasabi ko lang, spread. Guys, what the fuck are you doing? Spread. Find me, guys. My crown, ready. West side. 3, 2, 1. My crown now. Drop you on me. Okay, come to me. I need heal. Come on, guys, spread. Guys, heal up. My healers, are you AFK? Spread out, guys. Can someone take the vortex? Wait. Yo, they're looking. Ready, defend. Defend ready. North. Defend. No, counter on me. 3, 2, 1. On me now. Wipe them. Full brawl them. Come across on the vortex. Okay, kill their collar. Their collar is dying. Go get the vortex. Northwest. Come northwest. Come outside. I got the vortex. The protect. Take it. Come east. Come southeast. Spread. My con. Find my con southeast. In 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Wipe them. Pull push him. Vortex, why did you drop the vortex? The protector. Bobo ka. Putang ina mo. I'm gonna kick you in the kill ko. Come southeast. Full push southeast. Defend. Yo, keep pushing east. Stop them east. East side on me in 3, 2, 1. East now. Full custom east. Full custom east. North now. Okay, defend now. Go defend. Walk. I need heal, guys. Please, heal me. Come south. We need to regroup. Come south. Find me in my crown. Heal up. Keep going east. Go east. Come east. Okay, turn west in 3, 2, 1. West now. Walang damage pa rin. Okay, spread. Ready, defend. Roll east. Guys, can you go back? Please, Roll east. Come east. We kite east. Panalo na sana, oh. Kite east, guys. First step crevasse. Kite east. Delay them. The protector, I'm gonna kick you in the guild. Go caravan now. Come east. Come east, guys. We need help, guys. Positive crevasse. If you're not gonna be here in 1 minute, I'm gonna kick everyone in the fucking guild. Guys are fucking trash. Come east. Mount up the back. Dismount on me. Ilan days? Ba't kayo namamatay dyan? Mga bobo. Dismount on me, guys. I'm on the ping.
Guys, mount out. Clear part.
My 2 healers is dying. Ed Kidar.
We only have 1 healer. Hello?
How many healers are
Three healers coming.
Where?
Still on Glenn.
Fuck.
It's dying.
We don't have healer now.
On Glenn.
Mire. Go to Mire. We're in Mire. You guys are trash.